Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
They'll be in 15 states from Indiana to Georgia to New York. They're coming out now in mass numbers in Tennessee and North Carolina. When the entire brood emerges, backyards can look like undulating waves, and the bug chorus is lawnmower loud.
Take our lead.
Around 17 years. What is the lifespan of a 17-year cicada? Oddly enough, brood X cicadas live for around 17 years or so, as they're born and die above ground, just 17 years apart. According to USA Today, they usually come out in the spring, mate, lay eggs, feed, and die in late June or early July.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.